happens to be a soda bottle, actually. And this is how they're delivered, and this is how they're delivered all over the country, because this is actually a 2-liter preform, and this, when it is injected into a mold and is heated up at a high temperature, it'll blow up into a 2-liter bottle from that mold. And then the bottling company will put the beverage inside of it. And it also has a cap, and this cap is has an integrated safety ring, and so when you screw it down really, really tight, the ring locks on, so you can tell whether or not the cap has been removed or not, because then the ring will actually separate from the rest of the cap. And so you can reseal this, you can reseal it over and over again, but you can only seal it one time with that locking cap. Will actually prove that maybe it's been tampered with. But this material happens to be known as PET or PET. It's polyethylene polyethylene. Okay, thanks for purchasing the preform. Preform happens to be a soda pop bottle, and these bottles start out this size. This is a 2-liter size, and they go all over the country. They're shipped all over the country this way. It takes less energy, it takes less room to be shipped this way. When they get to the bottling company, they put these in a mold, and then they inject a lot of heat inside, and then it takes the shape of the 2-liter bottle. Now, if I take the lid off, you can see that it has the same. This is the standard size thread size and standard size cap on a 2-liter bottle. Now, the cap actually has an integrated sealing ring, and so when you go ahead and turn this tight, the sealing ring will lock on, so that if somebody opens it up, the sealing ring will separate. Then you'll know that somebody has tampered with this bottle. You can put all kinds of things in these bottles, so when you put the cap on, it will seal it. It's watertight and it's airtight. And this is made out of a polymer, and the polymer is sometimes called just PET or PET. It's polyethylene terephthalate, and it's commonly known as PET or PET. The polymer has a monomer formula, and it has a the glass temperature is around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, and so it softens at a fairly low temperature. And you can do a lot of things with this. You can germinate seeds using some of the sodium polyacrylate crystals, but you can put all kinds of different specimens in these little preforms. And I think you'll enjoy the preform, and you can actually put these in a very low temperature oven, and they'll turn opaque eventually. So this is the preform, and it saves a lot of energy because we can ship 2-liter bottles all over the country, taking up less room and taking up less energy. All right, thank you.